I would encourage you to keep your eyes open for some cool mushrooms and other plants. Mushrooms. Okay, that's actually a hawk.
Okay, yeah.
And you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Overhead for those, that's a hawk.
Merlin says it's a red shoulder hawk.
I believe that. I'm really bad at the difference between red shoulder and red tail. Oh, he's caught an air draft right there. Cutie pie. Here are some more mushrooms. Right here. So if you guys ever come back on your own time, which I highly recommend, this is down to Peckinpaugh, which gives you the best view of Spring Creek on this property. So we're gonna just walk down, and it's gonna, you'll notice, sorry, now I'm really excited I'm snatching. When we walk down here, you guys will notice that the environment changes. It literally will look different around you. When we get up there, I'm gonna ask, as we walk, we're gonna be really quiet, because it takes 15 to 20 minutes for you to basically, I hate this word, assimilate into the environment. So again, as I said, birds know when you point at them, they can hear your voice. We're gonna go listen, we're gonna go stand up there for a few moments. You'll see the habitat is different. I'm gonna ask you walk very quietly and mindfully, their demeanor, all the way up to here, and we're gonna just hear and see what we hear and see. If you have Merlin, I don't, so Amanda's popping off over there. I'm gonna ask everyone to just close your eyes, be present, and see, just listen and hear what you hear. And try to count how many sounds you hear. Obviously we hear this plane, it's the sound you hear. So follow me. That's a look back.